Hey everyone, you may have seen my video about Chegg Q&A Expert where you can make money by answering questions related to your subject. If not, you can click here to know what I'm talking about. In today's video, I'm going to share similar kind of website where you can earn money by just answering questions. So stay tuned with me. My name is Trilekha and I make videos on parenting, English grammar, personality development, work from home ideas and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So the name of the website is Course Hero. Course Hero is one more such platform where you can earn money by uploading courses or by answering questions. But the popular method is answering questions. Course Hero was formed somewhere in 2006-2007 and it is based in California. It is not a fake website, it is legitimate website. So if you are someone who has good knowledge in a particular subject and who is not comfortable teaching one-on-one, you can definitely give it a try. So let me quickly brief you how you can register here as a tutor. So go to Google and type CourseHero.com. Once you type CourseHero.com, you will see a website get open. Now you need to click on these three lines above and you will find Earn Free Access. Once you click on Earn Free Access, you can see Earn Money and just under that you can see Become a Tutor. So click on Become a Tutor. Now as you can see, there is option to apply now. Once you click on apply now, a form will come in front of you and you need to put your email address, password and all the details. So I'm not going to tell you all those details because I think you all can do it. I'm going to tell you what are the subjects available for tutoring. So this is the list of the subjects. As you can see, there are many subjects: accounting, business, biology, chemistry, calculus, management. You can choose as per your area of expertise. What might surprise you here is that you don't need to be a certified teacher or a tutor to become a tutor here, but you need to provide any document proving your expertise in particular subject. However, they have not mentioned any specific document in their website. Also, once you fill your application and if it is accepted, they might call you for a telephonic interview. Now on their website there is very less information about hiring process. So I'm not very sure about this telephonic interview thing because as per my research, some says that there is telephonic interview, some says there is no such interview. So if you are someone who is working with Course Hero and if you have any knowledge about it, I would appreciate if you can just leave a comment in the comment box. That can be useful to everyone. Just like Chegg, Course Hero is also very flexible platform, so you can work as per your availability. There is no such criteria that you need to give a particular number of hours in this website. Now if we talk about earning, their website says that you can earn up to $500 per week. But obviously that would be under ideal circumstances. For example, the number of questions, level of difficulty of the questions and the subject you choose. Now what my research says is that they pay $1 to $5 for one answer and on an average they pay $3 for an answer. But if a student does not decline your answer within 24 hours, then only you are going to get payment for your particular answer. So when you answer these questions, you need to make sure about the quality of the answers. It should be properly understandable and it should be well written and clearly visible. Now I want to tell you one more important thing. When you work with any of the foreign companies, to receive payment, you would need a PayPal account. Many of my subscribers have been asking me what is PayPal account, how can we link this account to our bank account and why is it exactly needed. So soon I'm going to put up a video about it within 2 to 3 days maybe. So stay tuned and keep watching. If you like this video, do let me know through your comments, and for other work from home options and online earning options, go and check out the description. Thank you so much for watching me.